In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your taillight bulb, which also acts as your brake light bulb. It's a 3157 bulb. Let's get started. With the tailgate open, you have two access holes right here. Through this, you can slide an 8mm socket in with an extension and remove the two screws that hold on your taillight. Try not to drop them in there. There's one. There should be a second one right here. Mine's missing, but just take that one out as well. Now you can remove your taillight, flip it over, whichever way you need to not tug on the harness. Now with it flipped over, spin the socket counterclockwise until it pops free. There's your taillight bulb. I have an LED here, but if you have a halogen or an LED, whatever you have, go ahead and remove it. Slide in your bulb. Now put the socket with the bulb back into the taillight assembly. Match up the little tabs. If they don't line up, this won't slide in. There we go. Turn it clockwise till it locks in. Now let's reinstall the taillight. On this part right here, you'll have two tabs that need to line up with two holes in the body here. Slide those in, press it up against this part, and let's put the screws in. Again, I only have one, but if you have both, you'd put back both. Nice and snug. Put in your second one if you have two, and there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.